First one 30,123 is multiply with 3. Very easy beta. First multiply the digits in ones place, next tens place, next hundreds place, thousands place and 10,000 place respectively. See here, 3 3s are 9, there is no carrying. 3 2s are 6, there is no carrying. 3 1s are 3, there is no carrying. 3 0 0, there is no carrying. 3 3s are 9. Product is equals to 90,369. Next 43,412. 43,412 multiplied by 2. See here, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Product is equals to 86,824. Next 56,843. 56,843 multiply with 4. Listen carefully better. 4 3s are 12. In it 2 taking, write down under ones column of the products. So here carrying 1 beta. Now next 4 4s are 16. So here carrying 1 beta. 1 is added to 16, you can get 17. In it 17 you write down here and carrying 1. According to their places you can write the product in their places down only. See here next 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 1 33. In it 3 taking, write down hundreds place column of the product. Now here carrying what beta? 3. Next 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 3 you can get 27. 7 taking, write down here beta. Now next carrying what nana? 2. See here 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 2 22. You can write a total number. See what is the product here? 2,27,372. Now next 65,427 into 7. First multiply the digits 7 with 7. 7 7s are 49. In it 9 taking, write down under its column of the product. So here 9 carry over 4. Next 7 2s are 14. 4 is added to 14. 14 plus 4 you can get 18. In it 8 taking, write down. Now next here carrying with 1 beta. Next 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 1 you can get 29. So 9 taking and write down hundreds column of the product. So 9 here carrying 2 beta. Next 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 2 you can get 37. In it 7 taking, write down under thousands column of the products and carrying 3 beta. Next 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 3 you can get 45. So this is the last digit of the given number. So you can write 43 total directly. So there is no carrying. So product is equals to 4,57,989. Now next. $80,174 into 6. First multiply the digit in ones place with 6. 4 6 6 4 the 24. So 4 is taking right down. Now carrying 2. 6 sevens are 42. 42 plus 2, 44. Unit 4 taking right down. Now carrying 4. 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 0 taking. Carrying 1 beta. 6 0 0. So carry over here 1. 0 plus 1, 1. So this is the 1 digit number. You can write down here. Means thousand space. Next 6 8s are 48. That is the last digit of the given number. So you can write 48 total. 4,81,044 is the product. Now next word problem. Varun lives in a giant family. There are 23 members in his family. అరుణ్ అనేటువంటి పర్సన్ జాయింట్ ఫ్యామిలీలో నివసిస్తున్నాడు. దేర్ ఆర్ 23 మెంబర్స్ ఇన్ హిస్ ఫ్యామిలీ. ఆ ఫ్యామిలీలో 23 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు. ద హోల్ ఫ్యామిలీ ఈజ్ ప్లానింగ్ టు గో టు బెంగళూరు ఫర్ ఏ వెడ్డింగ్. సి హియర్, ద హోల్ ఫ్యామిలీ ఈజ్ ప్లానింగ్ టు గో టు బెంగళూరు ఫర్ ఏ వెడ్డింగ్. ఒక పెళ్ళికి వాళ్ళందరూ బెంగళూరు వెళ్ళడానికి ప్లాన్ చేసుకున్నారు. ద ట్రైన్ ఫేర్ టు ట్రావెల్ ఇన్ సెకండ్ ఏసీ కోచ్. వాళ్ళ టికెట్ సెకండ్ ఏసీ కోచ్లో వచ్చింది. ఫ్రమ్ హైదరాబాద్ టు బెంగళూరు ఈజ్ 1,475 రూపీస్. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఈచ్ టికెట్ వేర్ ఫ్రమ్ హైదరాబాద్ టు బెంగళూరు. The cost of each rail ticket is 1,475 rupees. What will be the cost of tickets for the whole family to go to Bangalore? See here. Here how many members are there beta? 23 members. The cost of each ticket what beta? Here 1,475. Cost of one ticket. One ticket, each ticket, same meaning, is equals to 1,475 rupees. Number of tickets. Number of tickets 23 beta. Cost of 23 tickets. Cost of 23 tickets is equals to 1,475 rupees into 23. See here, 1,475 into 23. First 1,475 is multiply with 3. First the given number is multiply with 3. First multiply the digit in ones place. See here, 3 5s are 50. 5 taking right down under ones column of the product. This is the product. So carrying weight beta 1. Now here 3 7s are 21. 1 is added to 21. You can get 22. So 2 is taking right down under tens column of the product. So write here and carry over 2. Next 3 4s are 12. Plus 2. 2 is added to 12, you can get 14. 4 is taking and write down 100 place of the product. Now here carrying 1. Next 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 1 you can get 4. You can write down here. So now 1,475 with 2 means first multiply the ones place digit 5 with 2. See here 2 5s are 10. So now here you can cut it ones place because 2 is in tens place. You can start from tens place. 2 5s are 10, in it 0 is taking right down under 2 and carrying 1 beta. Now next 2 7s are 14, so 1 is added to 14, you can get 15 by taking right down here under 4 beta. Now carrying 1. Next 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 9, this is the 1 digit number, you can write 9 under 4, there is no carry. Next 2 1s are 2, write down before 9. See here below of the products. 5 2 4 plus 5 9, 4 plus 9 13, 3 taking 1 carrying, 1 plus 2 3. How much money? 33,925 rupees. So the cost of tickets for the whole family is 33,925 rupees. 925 rupees. See here. Now the given number, to check the multiplication, let us write the numbers in expanded form. So yesterday everybody did like that only here. See here to check. The multiplication. Let us write the numbers in expanded form. See here, write 1475 in expanded form. As shown below. See here, very simple. So 1 is in thousands place, 1000. 4 is in hundreds place, 400. 7 is in tens place, 70. 5 is in ones place, 5 ones 5. See here, multiply with 23 means 20 plus 3, 23. So expanded form of 23 means 20 plus 3. See here, 1000 first into 20. What do we get beta? 1000 into 20, you can get 20,000. Next 400 into 20, you can get 8,000. Next 70 into 20, 1,400. Next 5 into 20, you can get 100. So now next multiply with 3. See here, 1000 into 3, you can get 3000. Next, 400 into 3, you can get 4 3 is 12, 1200. Next, 70 into 3, 210. Next, 5 into 3, you can get 15. Listen carefully here. See, 1475 into 23 is equals to, see here, 20,000 plus 8,000 plus 1,400 plus 100 plus 3,000 plus 1,200 plus 1,200, 210 plus 15. See here, this is 20,000, 10,000's place, plus 8,000, 1,400, 3,000, 112. See here, what we get beta? Total, we can get 13,600 plus 325. So total is equals to 8,000 plus 3,000, 9,000, 9,000 plus 1,000, 10,000, 10,000 plus 1,000, 11,000. So what we get beta? You can get 33,925. 33,925. You can add, you will get answer. Now next, you can add total beta, you will get answer. See here, division. Already you know division. See here, Serenya had 24 toffees and she distributed them equally among 6 orphans. She noticed that each friend got 4 toffees. By counting the toffees in each hand, instead of she could have used division to arrive at the answer quickly. See here, you know division is the opposite of multiplication. Division is the opposite of multiplication. So here 24 is divided by 6, you can get 4. See here, 24 is divided by 6, you can get 24. 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. Each got 4 chocolates. See here, Can you share 25 chocolates equally among 6 children? Let us see. See here. 6 plus 6 plus 6. So 24. One chocolate is remaining. See here. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. You can get 24. So one chocolate is remaining. One chocolate is remaining. Let us do by division and see. So now second problem. See, 25 is divided by 6. In it 6 is taking as divisor, 24 is taking as dividend. See, we can read 6 table. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24. See, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. Better listen carefully. While you are doing division problem, so you have to take digits from left to right side. If you take left side first digit, that is 2, 2 is less than 6. So you have to take 2 digits from left to right, that is 25. So where it is possible? 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30 is greater than 25, more than 25. So I have to take 6 4s are 24. So 6 4s are 24. Now here 5 minus 4 1, 2 minus 2 0. This is the remainder. 0 1 means here 1. The number that remains is called remainder. ఏదైతే నంబరు మిగులుతుందో ఆ నంబర్ను మనం ఏమన్నామంటే రిమైండర్ అన్నాం. So this is quotient, this is dividend, this is divisor. See here, it has to be understand that a number when divided may or may not leave remainder depending on the number. ఒక్కొక్కసారి రిమైండర్ 0 రావచ్చు, రాకపోవచ్చు. So number it divided with, then can be easily understand by the following rule. So dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. See here. Dividend is equals to divisor. This is divisor. This is remainder. This is dividend. And sorry beta, this is quotient. Sorry nana. This is quotient. This is remainder. This is divisor beta. See here, dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Means this is into and add the remainder. So here, listen carefully everybody. Once again I am repeating. See here, 25 is taking as dividend and 6 is taking as divisor. So 25, first we can see the left side, first digit is 2, 2 is less than 6. It is not possible. So I have to take 2 digits from left to right. So 25. 25, where it is possible? 6 4s are 24. So 5 minus 4, 1, 0. See here. This is called as quotient. Now this is called as a remainder. So this is dividend. This is divisor. See what is the principle? Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. See here. Divisor what nana here? 6 into quotient what rate of 4 bracket close plus remainder 1. So that is equals to 6 4s are 24 plus 1 you can get 25. So your problem is correct. Now next listen carefully. $548 divided by 34. See here. 34 is taking as divisor. 548 is taking as divided. See, while you are doing the division problem, so I have to take from left side digits. See, now I am taking left side first digit 5. 5 is less than 34. So I have to take from left to right 2 digits, that is 54. So here write down 34 ones are 34, 34 twos are, see, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 12. See next 34 3s are, 3 4s are 12, 2 taking 1 carrying, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. See here 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 68. Next 3 4s are 12, 2 taking 1 carrying, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. Next 34 4s are, 4 4s are 16, 6 taking 1 carrying, 4 3s are 12 plus 1 30, means 136. See here, where it is possible 34 ones are 34, 34 twos are 68. Next 34 threes are 102, 34 twos are 2 4s are 8, once you check it, 2 threes are 6, 68. 68 is more than 54. 68 is greater than 54. So we have to take 34 ones are 34, 34 ones are 34, then subtract. 34 is subtracted from 54, means here 4 minus 4 0, 5 minus 3 2. So 20 is less than 34. Now bring down 8 to the remainder, so 208. Now here 34 4s are 136, 34 5s are, 5 4s are 20, 0 taking carrying 2, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 2 17. Next 34 6s are, 6 4s are 24, 4 taking carrying 2, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 2 20, 204. Next 34 7s are, 7 4s are 28, 8 taking carrying 2, 7 3s are 21 plus 2 23. See here 34 7s are 238 is more than 208. So I have to take 34 6s are 204. See now subtract. 8 minus 4 4, 0 minus 0, 2 minus 2 0. So what is the remainder here? This is the remainder. This is quotient. See 34 6 are, 34 6 are 204. This is quotient. So divide end. This is divisor. Okay, see here. So what is our rule? See here, listen carefully. Now here dividend is equals to 548 divisor is equals to 34, quotient is equals to 16, remainder is equals to 004 means 4 beta. See here, let us apply division rule and check. Let us apply division rule and check. What is the division rule? Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. See here, that is equals to divisor. Divisor what nana? 34 into quotient 16. So divisor into quotient write in the bracket, then there is no confuse. Remainder 4. See here, 34 into 16. 6 4s are 24. 4 taking, carrying to 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 2 you can get 20. Write down. Next one space cut it. 1 4s are 4. 1 3s are 3. See here, 4 0 plus 4 4. 2 plus 3 5. 544 plus 4. You can get 548. 544 plus 4. 4 plus 4 8. 4 5. You can get dividend. That is 548. Now next, listen carefully. See here, 1256 divided by 48. This is also big number, 48. See here, 48 is taking as divisor, 1256 taking as divided. See here, you can write 48 1s are 48, 48 2s are. See here, 2 8s are 16. So 6 taking, carrying 1. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. 96. Next, 48 3s are. 3 8s are 24. In it 4 taking, write down, carrying 2. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 2 14. 144. Next, 48 4s are. 4 8s are 32. In it 2 taking, carrying 3. Next, 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3 you can get 90. 190. See here, in the given number, this is the dividend. So how many digits you have to take from left to right side? If you take 1, not possible. If you take 2 digits from left to right, 12, not possible. So we have to take 3 digits from left to right, 125. 125 is more than 48. So where it is possible? See here, 48 1s are 48, 48 2s are 96, 48 3s are 144, 48 4 is 192. So 48 3 is 144 is more than 125. So I have to take 48 to the 96. 48 to the 96. So you can write 96 like this only. You can start under 2. See here 96. Now 96 is subtracted from 125. First subtract the digits in ones place. 5 minus 6. Possible beta? Not possible. So take borrowing. Here 15. Cut it. 2 it can last 1. It becomes 1. See. 15 minus 6. You can get 9. So you can count 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 minus 6 you can get 9. Write down. Now next 1 minus 9 possible, not possible. I can take borrowing from 1. So 10 plus 1, 11. Here cut it can last 1. Here 0. Becomes 0. See here 11 minus 9 you can get 2. So now 0. See here 29 is also less than 48. Now bring down 6 to the remainder 296. See here 48 5s are. So you can write it here 8 5s are 40. You need 0 taking right down. 5 8s are 40, 0. 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 4 24. So 240. Next 48 6 are. 6 8s are 48. 8 taking carrying 4. 6 4s are 24. See 4 plus 4 8 to 28. Means 48 6 are 288. Now next 48 7s are. 7 8s are 56. In it 6 taking and carrying 5. 7 8s are 56. 7 4s are 28. So you can add 28 to 5. 5. This is shortcut method. 5 plus 8. What we get beta? 13 carrying 1. 1 plus 2 3. You can get 336. See here 48 7s are 336 is more than 296. So we have to take 48 6 are. 48 6 are 288. 48 6 are 288. See here 6 minus 8 possible, not possible. Take borrowing 10 plus 6 16. Here it can last one 8. Now 16 minus 8 you can get 8. 8 minus 8 0. 2 minus 2 0. So remainder is equals to what, Nana? Here 8. Then let us check. See here dividend is equals to 1256. Divisor is equals to 48. Quotient is equals to 26. Remainder is equals to 0 0. 8 means 8. See, now let us apply division rule and check. See here, dividend is equals to divisor into quotient. So bracket close plus remainder. See, divisor what beta? 48. Substitute. Next quotient what beta? How much? 26. plus remainder 8. See here, 48 into 26. 6 8s are 48. 8 taking, carrying 4. 6 4s are 24 plus 4 you can get 28. You can write total. Next, one space cut it. 2 8s are 16, you need 6 taking, carrying 1. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 you can get 9. See here 8. 8 plus 6 14, 4 taking, 1 carrying, 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 9 12. So what we get? You can get 1248 plus remainder 8. Next 8 is added to 1248. 1248 plus 8. 8 plus 8 16, 6 taking, 1 carrying, 1 plus 4 5, 2 1. So we can get divided in 1256. Okay, thank you everybody beta. So tomorrow word problems on division.